want you to know, should I fall asleep on the drive home, I will be thinking about you. I might careen off the road or spin out of control, take down the toilet too. And I won't hit the brakes, 'cause I don't make mistakes. I learned that from you. And I realize this might not hit you where you like, but I didn't want it to.